Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorials how to rotate view. To rotate view in SketchUp, we can use orbit tools. You can click this icon orbit and then you can click hold to rotate view in SketchUp drawing area. The other option, you also can press middle mouse hold to use orbit and rotate view. If you use command like I will use this move tools, you also can rotate by pressing middle mouse like this, and then we can click at this point. Now you can rotate again by pressing middle mouse, and then you can place at this point. To rotate the object, you can use these tools, rotate command, like I will rotate in right axis in it, or you can rotate in blue axis, and the last we can rotate in green axis. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorials, how to rotate view. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.